guys, this is TJ with eComfort. The question that we're answering today is what are the options that I have to connect my Mitsubishi mini split to Wi-Fi? I would like to control this from outside the house while I'm at work. I'd like to check in with things. This is for a second house. These are some of the questions we get asked when we talk about Wi-Fi connectivity with the Mitsubishi mini splits. First things first, there are three options. So we'll just take a quick run through of them, see what we got going on here. Our first option is going to be the Kumo Cloud. In terms of installation, this one's going to be the easiest. Right there in the center is the connection device. That is a little USB. It sits right inside your unit. That gives you full connectivity with the app that you see there on the side. The little sensor, it's about the size of a quarter there that you see on the side. That's your temperature and humidity sensor. And what that allows you to do is actually control where you want to take the temperature in the room. You take that little bitty piece and you set it, on a dresser, or you embed it in something. And that's where you're going to take the temperature in the room for a more accurate reading, more so than the thermostatic sensor that comes on the wall-mounted unit or the ceiling cassette that you already have. The second option is the MHK1. Now the MHK1 has a different interface, as you can see. It's actually a different app altogether. The MHK1 uses the Total Connect app from Honeywell. You actually have a physical thermostat on the wall with the MHK1 option. Thermostat on the wall, which is a wireless receiver connected to your indoor unit that you have. And then with the gateway that you see there on the bottom underneath the thermostat, that is what allows you to get that Wi-Fi connectivity to control your system from the app, have your full scheduling, your full programmability, everything that goes along with it. The last, what if I have a Nest? What if I have an Ecobee? What if I have a Honeywell? What if I have any sort of third party? Can I still connect that to my Mitsubishi? Yes, you can with the Thermostat Adapter. So the middle picture here is your adapter. Much like the Kumo, it sits right inside the unit itself, nothing external. Connect that with a 24-volt transformer. We feature the White Rogers. You can use really any 24-volt transformer. That would be fine. They kind of regulates the power going through there. Now, the downside to the third-party adapter from Mitsubishi is that you're going to lose some functionality of your mini split, especially when we talk about ceiling cassettes or the wall-mounted indoor units where you have louver control. You're going to lose some of that. You're going to lose maybe the dehumidification aspect of it. So some things to consider. I have a lot of customers myself who will kind of make that sacrifice because they already have the Nest that's connected to their everything else. They want to use it with their Alexa, things like that. This allows you to do that. Please give us a call if you have any questions on this, or you can comment in the links right below. We're more than happy to get back to you. Fully US-based customer support, 866-554-4228. You can ask to speak to myself. Yes, I am a real person who actually works here. We don't use anybody outside the company. And please make sure, if you find this informative, make sure to like and subscribe to our videos. We'll be answering all sorts of common questions and things like that, everything that you need to make your HVAC installation. Thanks.